Hi everyone! If you're new to Python, you might have the desire to learn the basics of Python as fast as possible. Python is one of the most valuable languages to know, and this is because it has really wide use. It's an open source programming language that is used for game development, graphical user interface applications, education, and many more. So having the skill to write code in Python will really boost your career. And this is exactly what we are going to do in this video. In the next 1 hour, I will simply teach you how to declare variables in Python, how to write control statements, if statements, and logical operations. Throughout the video, you will be able even to complete 2 exercises on your own and take the result. Of course, I will provide solutions for these exercises, so don't you worry. And this is it. For the next 1 hour, take a cup of coffee or tea and let's code together for the next 1 hour. So here we are in the Eclipse IDE, and the first thing we need to do to start a project is to select New, Project, and then here simply select Python Project. Then press Next, and let's name our project as Intro to Python, and that's it. So now, here you already created a project, and the first thing I will do inside is to simply create a Python class or Python package actually first. So the Python package will be called Python intro, and now inside this package you can finally create your first Python file. So let's select Python dev module intro, select OK here. And that's it, guys. So you see something like this here in Eclipse, and now we can start typing some functions and statements with Python, and here we will run our code and simply get the results. Now obviously the first thing we want to do is simply to print hello world, and with Python actually this is quite easy. So let's write here print, and in the brackets simply write hello world. That's it. And now we can run our program here, run as Python, and then you get hello world. So this was the first step of writing Python code. So since now you know how to print stuff, let's actually have a look at what variables we can declare in Python, and basically how we declare variables in this programming language. Before doing that, you must know that Python doesn't separate each line with semicolon. Instead, it is called indentation level language. And this means that here we really take care of the spacing between the different lines of code in order for our program to know what operation to do first and what operation to do next. So saying this, we can write some variables here. And let's write a date. So let's write here variables. And let's write date equals 21, pi number equals 3.14. Then let's write a string email equals Will Smith yahoo.com. Okay. And then let's actually write a boolean variable, it equals true. And that's it. These are actually 4 variables, 4 different types of variables that you can write in Python. So the first one is an integer, date, and here you can see that we don't need to specify that this variable is integer. Python automatically specifies that. Then we have the pi number, which is usually a float, but here we also don't need to specify. Then we have an email, which is a string, and finally we have a boolean. So let's print each of these and see what's going to happen. So let's print first date. So you can print the date like this. Print and then the variable name, and it will refer directly to the value of date, which is 21. Then let's run. And here we're getting 21. Then let's print the pi number, and you can see that pi is 3.14. Then we can print the email, And you can see that our email is willsmith@yahoo.com. So it is quite simple actually. Okay, finally I will print the boolean eat. So this is equal to true as well. So it doesn't matter what is the type of the variable. By doing the print statement, we can simply print it on our screens. So that's it. This is how we declare variables in Python.